there she is. Got her on Facebook Marketplace for $200. Had to get a new key. The set of keys cost me $105. Now we can get in it. We actually could have got in it the whole time because the locking mechanism is here is broke anyway. I haven't found a cord yet to plug it in, so I'm not sure if it works or how much of it works. Let's see here. Here's what I gotta find a plug for to see if it works, and that looks like an on-off switch. Let's see, we're gonna go around here. So what I want to do is I want to paint it black, like Harley Davidson black, because I'm actually going to take this Harley logo that somebody made for this old candy machine, right? And I think the Harley logo is a better fit from the candy machine to the cigarette machine. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a nice black Harley Davidson paint. I'm either going to chrome it in chrome or gold. I don't know. I think black and gold might look really good, but if it doesn't match well with the Harley paint, then I'll just leave it chrome. So this is definitely a big to-do project. Let's see what's in here. We're going to start with opening this thing. Oh, okay. And what does it look like in here? All right, so these things are a little stiff. Nothing's really dropping down, but I think what it does is lets out one cigarette at a time like that. I'm missing a piece in here. Oh wait, hold on, I'm missing every other piece. How does that work? So, yeah, not sure what's going on, but every other piece seems to be missing in there. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to be? I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. Definitely needs a cleaning. This wire was cut. What does this go to? I don't know what this wire goes to. Something was cut. Maybe that was a light. I don't know. Once I start taking it apart, what does that go to? Oh, let's see. It goes to that. Okay, so I got to rewire that part. That's a change thing. What about this one? Okay, they're both change things. I got to figure out why this one is here and why that one is there. All right, now. So, what the heck is this for? Maybe there was something else in here. Let's see. Those were all the old smokes in there. This is the coin, obviously the coin thing. And then, let me see, if I plug it in, what am I actually turning on if I do find a plug thing for here? What is going to turn on and off? I don't know. What is that connected to? What is this thing? What is that? There's a plug for something. What does that do? Okay, so I gotta find out electrically what's what here. Welcome to my nightmare project.